In this video, I'm going to show you how to compare spending year over year in Monarch Money. Let's get started. Monarch Money's reports feature allows you to analyze your spending trends over time and compare them with previous periods, which is useful for tracking financial habits. To do this on desktop, go to the Reports tab, then open the Spending section. Switch to the Bar Chart view and select the Change Over Time option. This will display your spending across different months or years, making it easy to compare current data with previous periods. You can also adjust the time frame, such as comparing this year to last year, and hover over the chart to see exact values and differences. For better tracking, you can save custom reports for quick access later. This is useful for reviewing your yearly spending patterns. Using these tools helps you clearly see how your spending changes over time. If you want to support our channel, feel free to use our affiliate link in the description below. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in my next video.